So when you're pedaling on the piano, you want to have with the damper pedal, which
Yes.
is the most often used pedal,
Okay.
we'll have our heel on the floor and the ball of the foot on the pedal. When we press the pedal down, we will press the pedal entirely down for now. And when we lift, we will lift the pedal entirely up like this, not like this.
Okay, was I doing that?
No.
Okay, good.
But I'm just...
Yes.
making sure
Reiterating.
you're aware.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you. Okay.
So your heel should be always on the
Sometimes
floor.
I can't tell. Okay.
Heel always down. And the right foot is what we're using to play the damper pedal with. And the right foot will usually correspond with the left hand, because the left hand typically is playing the bass line, and the bass line is what kind of defines the chord progression.
Yes.
So we don't want to have more than one chord on the same damper pedal. That will sound really muddy like this.
Yes.
Not great. We also don't want to have, right now for the style you're learning, we don't want to have a detached sound either, where you have silence between the chords like this.
That's what I'm doing, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Okay.
So we don't want a gap, and we don't want overlap.
Got
we
it.
want connection,
Okay.
like this. So that's kind of tricky to achieve at first. The left hand will come down like this if we really slow down, and at the same time that it takes for the left hand to do this, the right foot will have to do this.
Okay.
Up, down, very
Every time.
fast,
Okay.
very rapidly. So it'll be like and you see, because the damper pedal is down, the dampers are lifted off the strings, so the sound will continue ringing. So you can lift your hand all the way off the keys, the sound will keep going. So your hand can do whatever, but the foot has to be very fast right when the left hand is almost down, but not quite all the way. Okay? And if we put the hands together, say we have the same chord for 4 beats, and you're using your right hand quarter note pattern and your left hand whole note pattern together like this. Up, down, like this.
Gotcha.
So when your right hand is doing this on the fourth repetition, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. My foot, if I slow it way down, my foot's staying down as my left hand's like flying through space, and my right hand is stretching to get to the new position. And then right as they're gonna start going down,
Up, down.
my left foot goes up, down really fast.
Okay.
If I'm playing a whole note pattern with both hands, which sounds like a hold, it's the same idea. Down, I'm ready to go. See, I move my fingers in place for the next chord, and
Okay.
so it's okay for my hands, if they had to, my hands could play the keys before my foot was all the way back down.
Okay.
Ideally not, but that would be okay. It would be fine. But the hands and the foot can't both be up at the same time.
That's what I'm doing.
Because
yes.
then we have silence, so we can't go.
And I can recognize that.
Yeah,
Right.
that is what you're doing.
Because it's just
So-
natural for them all to want to
Yeah.
go together instead of try to alternate. But
It is. For now, it's natural.
Yeah. Well.